There's this element of we need you to be broken down. And I think that's what we really try to conquer in the first week or two. But that's also why it's important to be done in a group that feels safe, right? Because if you're going to be completely broken down, like, you need to have some support. You need to feel like you're in a safe place there. So we help them identify how it's impacting their lives negatively, but then we don't tell them who they need to become. We walk them through this process of painting a vision for their life without pornography. And I think this is where a lot of guys really struggle, is they're trying to quit something, but they don't know what there is they're actually trying to create. So they're focused too much on removing pornography instead of creating a life that pornography is no longer needed in. So we help them break them down. That's the Phoenix part of the work that we're doing. And then we help them cast a vision for their life, thinking 3 to 5 years into the future, if I can remove this habit out of my life, what can my faith look like? What can my fitness and health look like? How can I grow in my business? Or can I launch a business? Or how can I accelerate in my career? So we really help them get clear on what they want out of life, and then bridging those two together. So you're here now, this is what you want. What process do we need to take you through? And who do you need to be able to become in order to create that life without pornography? So that's a lot of what I mean when I say we're helping you become the man that is no longer addicted to porn. First, let's get clear on what you want out of life. Who do you need to become? Where are you lacking there? If you want to start a business, but you don't have any skills to start a business, then we don't go start a business. We need to figure out what skills do we need to acquire in order to achieve that. So does that kind of give some clarity around?